Dancehall artist Skeng was announced as part of this year's lineup for Alkaline's upcoming New Rules concert. After a 2-year hiatus, Alkaline is bringing the event back to where it all started, right here in Kingston. The event was last held in Miami, Florida in March and featured performances from Cranium, Wayne Wanda and Movado, along with Alkaline, who all delivered exceptional performances in front of the sold-out crowd. For this year's staging, dancehall artist Maca Diamond has also been confirmed. The stage show was first held in Jamaica in 2017 and has visited venues in New York and Florida. The event is scheduled to make a grand return on July 2 at the National Stadium in Kingston. Meanwhile, Alkaline is currently trending on YouTube with the release of his new track, dubbed Static. The song was released on May 27 and is trending number 3 in music on the popular streaming platform. Static is produced by Troyton Rami Music for Black Shadow. Grammy Award-winning dancehall artist Sean Paul has partnered with Port Royal Patties to launch his very own patty and pepper line called Scorcher. The line is named after his latest album. Sean Paul took to Instagram to post this photo with the Scorcher branded patty truck with the caption, "You want a Scorcher?" The Port Royal brand is a Jamaican family-run business founded by Edward Johnson with the aim of sharing the heritage and food of his home with customers in the United Kingdom. Scorcher, the album, is the entertainer's 8th studio project that debuted on May 27. It follows Live and Livin', which was nominated for the Reggae Grammy at this year's ceremony. American rapper Doja Cat is the top nominee for the 2022 BET Awards. The artist copped 6 nominations, including Best Female R&B Pop Artist, Best Female Hip Hop Artist, Album of the Year for Planet Her, and the BET Award for the Single Woman. She also earned the Video of the Year and Best Collaboration nods for Kiss Me More featuring SZA. Ari Lennox and rapper Drake are runners-up with 4 nods each, while Silk Sonic, Chloe, Future, Her, Jasmine Sullivan, Ye, Kendrick Lamar, Lil Baby, Mary J. Blige, and Thames have each received 3 nominations. Oscar-winning picture King Richard will challenge Oscar-winning documentary feature Summer of Soul, as well as Candyman, Respect, Space Jam, A New Legacy, and The Harder They Fall for Best Movie. Now, the best actor will be chosen from Will Smith, Denzel Washington, and Forest Whitaker, while Zendaya, Issa Rae, and Mary J. Blige, as well as Regina King, are all nominated for Best Actress. The 2022 BET Awards, to be hosted by Taraji P. Henson, will take place later this month. Fame Frequency returns tomorrow night with the Dance and Diva edition. The highly anticipated Saturday night event will feature the likes of DJ Narity, DJ Deli, and DJ Donovan Dakers, delivering a night of wholesome vibes and music. Now, the party kicks off at 9 o'clock on RETV and 10:45 right here on TVJ. See you then. I'm Deidre Gordon reporting for E! Prime.